What the fuck? Why won't it freaking open? Help me.
Just press the freaking door. See if it works.
I don't know. I don't want to. No,
2H. Oh.
it's not.
Oh, delay. Oh,
What
shit.
the hell?
Power off. Power off.
How are we supposed to?
We are trying to open the fucking door and it won't work.
Dude, I don't know what to do. Because I don't think my mom can get in it.
Oh, shit. We did.
Well, that's why it was freaking beeping. It couldn't open itself. What the hell?
Stupid fucking ass washing machine. How will it fucking lock it?
How in the fuck are we supposed to get it open? Fuck. Fuck. Fuck.
Girl, calm down. Calm down.
I don't know how to get it.
Breathe.
And my
breathe.
mom wouldn't know how to get it open because she's never down here to do the freaking laundry. I don't know how to pry it open either. Those clothes are going to be sitting in there a while. Mom! Shh. The washer locked itself and we can't get it open! What the fuck?
Here she comes. Here she comes. Here she comes. Here she comes. Here she comes.
What did you say, Haddie? I said the washer locked itself and we can't get it open.
Stupid motherfucking ass washing machine.
We can, it still won't open.
We turned it off.
Well, is
It didn't
done?
work.
No.
And it's not done.
Well, I think it might be done. It is done because it stopped going.
It is done.
Let it be for a little bit. We'll go back. We have been letting it be. It's been beeping all this time.
It's been beeping.
Come down here.
She's coming down.
See? Off.
Off.
Still won't open. What are you looking at? What? Just look. It's on. Okay, let me sit there a second. Let's see. Are you sure you haven't started it? No, we started it like 5 times. Then we hit stop, and then okay, we'll
just
go.
wait.
Well, it's not. It's draining the water, so it must not. I don't know. Well, it's been saying that, and I don't know what to do. You're the laundry queen. Yeah, well, I don't know how to do it. And it said OE, at least that's what it said. I don't know. Or it said 03, I don't know. But it just kept beeping. Well, let's just run it again and see what happens. You over here where I can see you. And turn that thing off.
Okay.
And if I see it anywhere, you're losing it.
Okay.